Sometimes when you create a document, you have to review how many characters or words are in this document, so let's find out how we can check this. Usually you will find the word count in the bottom left corner of the Microsoft Word program, but this is only the word count. When we go to the Review tab and click on Word Count, we will find all the statistics for our document. Besides the word count, we will also find the number of pages, characters, paragraphs and lines in our document. Note that there are two numbers for the character count and that you usually don't include the spaces in your character count. So the character count with the lower number is usually the one you're searching for. And by the way, in the bottom of this window you can decide if you want to include text boxes, footnotes and endnotes in your statistics. So now you know how to check all the statistics like the character or word count of your document. Go ahead and watch the other videos to learn more about reviewing a document.